Hi everyone, Pedro from DePIN Hub here, and today we are here to talk about WeatherXM and their impact in the world. When people think of weather networks, they imagine satellites or billion-dollar government systems. But the truth is, most of the weather data on your phone doesn't come from any of that. It comes surprisingly from sparse networks, and the entire developing regions are left with little or no coverage at all. And this isn't a small issue. Nearly 2/3 of the global economy is weather sensitive, yet forecasting remains imprecise, costing the world an estimated $711 billion in losses over the next 5 years. Better forecasting alone could unlock millions. We're talking massive benefits for agriculture, logistics, insurance, and energy. These numbers show one thing clearly: weather uncertainty is holding us back. And this is where WeatherXM steps in. They've been trying to fix the weather crisis through decentralization, turning weather stations into community-powered data nodes where contributors are rewarded for maintaining reliable coverage. But now they have taken even further with something called Targeted Rollouts. It all starts with a simple question: who actually needs this data? Most networks put hardware wherever volunteers happen to live. WeatherXM flips that. They use demand-driven maps to identify high-priority regions, places where insurers, energy providers, or governments need hyper-local coverage, and then open those regions for public participation. This ensures new stations don't just expand the map, they expand utility. Each rollout becomes a small mission. Fund it, deploy it, and feed verified data back into the global WeatherXM network. It's a smarter demand-aligned approach to building infrastructure. And at the center of this model, the Beaver NFT. Each Beaver represents 1/4 of a physical weather station, meaning 4 NFTs together fund the full device and its deployment. Supporters mint the NFT using WXM or USDC, and deployers on the ground handle setup and maintenance. Now, let's talk about rewards, and this is a crucial part. Once a station is live and starts generating verified weather data, the base WXM rewards are splitted: 75% to the NFT holders and 25% to deployers. But here's the game changer. The WeatherXM DAO actually matches the total rewards pool, essentially doubling the WXM rewards. This means supporters aren't just earning 75%, they are effectively earning 150% of the base rewards due to the DAO boost. So that also means that deployers also earn 50% of the base rewards. This massive DAO incentive is designed to accelerate coverage in high-priority regions. Holders can also stake their NFTs for 3, 6, or 12 months for fixed yields, and the DAO Boost reward system makes these yields way more attractive. So here's how you join a targeted rollout today. Head over to WeatherXM Target Rollout page. Connect your wallet to the base network, mint a Beaver NFT using WXM or USDC, then track the station deployment and monitor its data feed in the dashboard. And as soon as the station is live and transmitting verified data, daily rewards begin automatically. Targeted rollouts are more than a feature. They are a test of how DePIN can evolve by linking data demand, community participation, and transparent deployment. WeatherXM shows how decentralized infrastructure can scale with purpose and not speculation. So head over to WeatherXM website, go to the targeted rollouts, and start helping the communities that need this data today.